This is how you're going to add us to your Facebook account. You're going to go to the top right corner, click right here where it says menu, click on where it says Ads Manager, go to the far left corner, you see where it says All Tools, click on it, go to Business Settings, select the account, once that happens, you're going to go to Invite People. Now, type in the email address that our company provided for you. I'm going to make up a bogus one. Click Next. Then you're going to go down to where it says Full Control. This allows us to post on your Facebook, Instagram without any hassles, while also running your ads. Then click the drop-down box, press Manage, then click Next. Select your account that you would like for us to manage, which would be the name of your company, listed right here. Go all the way down to where it says Everything. Click on it. Then where it says Leads, make sure you click on this. This will allow for us to have access to your leads to verify to make sure that they're legitimate. If you would like for us to verify it, please make sure you click it. Then click the invite button and you're all done. Hopefully this helps. See you on the next one. Bye for now.